everyone, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm paying a visit to the National Stadium in Lagos, Nigeria, which is right here. This stadium has been abandoned for decades now, and this stadium, it's not looking that bad. As you can see, I just believe all it needs is little rehabilitation, maintenance, and maybe some renovations around the body. But it seems no one really cares, because there was a time the Lagos State started renovating the stadium and all of a sudden they stopped. So let me tell you, this is the only place in Lagos where there's two stadiums opposite each other. Right here now is the National Stadium, and across the road over there is the Lagos State Stadium. So these two stadiums are adjacent to each other, or rather they are opposite to each other, and these two stadiums are actually big, but guess what, none of them are in use anymore. These two stadiums are currently going through what we call rehabilitation. This one right here looks abandoned, or you could see it. The tennis court is working, the basketball court is working, also the swimming pool is working, the boxing, all those little equipments that they have in those places are all working fine. But the main reason why the stadium was built, which was meant to be football, it's not working. The field itself, the grass are still fair enough to be used, but not professionally, so that's why it's not even used. Talk more of the buildings, the constructions, the body, everything. It looks dilapidated, like it looks almost like it's falling off. So this is not really a nice thing for such a big investment to lay down like this. If this property could not be maintained by the government anymore, I think they should just let them out to a private owner who are ready to invest and make money off these things, and also bring more tourists to the country too, because this is actually one of the stadiums where a Nigerian legend passed away after playing a match or during a match. I wasn't born then, but I just had a story, and I'm sure it's a real story because it's a legend. This is the beautiful premises of the National Stadium. As you can see, the premises are not that bad. At least the trees are being cut down and everything is being maintained for proper parking space. And I noticed something around the premises, like they are beginning to sell items like everywhere. Stores are beginning to come up. So I don't know if it's just because of we are currently in the new year and maybe they are still selling items from the season over to the new year, but I just hope it doesn't remain like that, because gradually, I know something about Nigerians, once it starts it doesn't stop. So if they are turning this place to a market, it's not really nice, and I just hope something is being done about that. But this is how the premises look. Actually, beautiful trees, which is something that is very, very common in Nigeria. Trees are mostly on everywhere you go to. And I just showed you the tennis court. That's the tennis court over there. And right there, what you see there that looks like a stadium, like this, yeah, that's actually the swimming area over there is locked, so I couldn't take you there to show you what it looks like. But I'll be showing you a little football pitch on the stadium that is functioning very well. The grass is up to the world standard, but the field isn't big, so as in, isn't that big, so it can't be used for proper football games, unless maybe for within the community, maybe state football matches, competition, community games, and that's what that could be done there, and training as well. But the pitch itself is good, the field is good, and the players over there are also impressive. So I'll take you there to show you what it looks like now. this is how the stadium, the little pitch I was talking about, this is how it looks like. As you can see, this is Nigeria, and this is where most of our popular footballers started from. The likes of Osimhen and the rest of them actually played on this little pitch for the academic, and before they moved on to Europe to play bigger football. So this is it. That's the National Institute for Sport. So that is where most of the academic basics are taught to them, and many other things. And right there is the abandoned stadium, the National Stadium, and behind me is the Lagos State Stadium. So this is the two stadiums opposite each other. This is all we have today for the National Stadium arena area, and this is how it currently looks. I've showed you what's working and what's not working. I've showed you the basketball court, the tennis court, the little pitch that is still functioning. I was unable to show you the boxing ring because it was locked, and also the swimming pool area. I didn't get access to those two places, but I believe those two places are functioning properly. So, but the main stadium, which is this, is not functioning. So a lot of people come here for different activities, sporting, dance, and also practice of any kind. So if you stay in Lagos, you should always try to come out around this area on the weekend, weekdays, to always come here. You see a lot of people here doing whatever they wish to do. At least they are not disturbing anyone, and they're making peace and also doing good things. Here is actually a very free and good place where you could meet a lot of people and associate with people with the same mindset you have. I've been here and I've met a lot of creators on YouTube, on Instagram, TikTok, and it's kind of meeting, negotiating, associating, and also sharing contacts for better ideas. So always come out. If you're a dancer, footballer, any kind of thing that you do, just come out here. You are definitely gonna meet someone who's on the same lane with you. Once again, my name is Emmanuel Bernard. Please don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next one. Let's go. Like